I was just looking at the stats. Um, Bro, our last stream got 16 views.
Yeah, we're picking up
16.
pace, man.
I mean, that's more than double the one before it. I mean,
So
now it's seven. We're at
we're
16 now.
expecting, we're expecting 32 next.
Could be. It could be. It could definitely, like, that's in the cards, I think. Um,
Then express
we just got to keep them, we got to keep the
motivated.
folks entertained, motivated. I mean, we just got to let them, let them have the good stuff. Honestly, I'm not even sure like what they're watching it for. Like, why are they watching? I don't understand. Why are you guys watching? Like, maybe just drop in the comments, assuming there's someone actually watching this. Why are you watching this? I don't understand. Like,
Yeah,
I
bring the
really
real
don't.
love, man.
I really don't get it. I
It's
guess
the
maybe they're
love we're sharing.
expecting that, we're gonna do something. We're gonna launch at some point, which that's the plan. Like we farted away the last stream just doing logins, and then I think we finally got that done, and we were working on some of the UI stuff, or at least like the basic onboarding flow. Um, so that's what we're going to be continuing today. Just getting the basic onboarding flow. Oh, my face is not on there. Oh, what a travesty. There we go. All right. All
Let
right.
them enjoy your
Wait.
face, man.
Yeah, I can't believe we started the stream without my face. Well, at least they had your face to
Well, mine
admire.
will do, but not as much as yours.
Oh, oh, you're gonna make me blush. All right, all right, all right. Let's get into the meat and potatoes. I don't even know if people still say that. Like I haven't heard it in ages, the meat and potatoes. I think it's an Irish thing. I don't know. I don't know where I picked that up from. Probably some random book from primary
The
school. Anyway, all right, so let's run it. Let's run it, see where we're at. All right, so the name of the project is Podzilla. Let's npm run dev. Let's see what's going on. I don't even remember, honestly, where we're at. Let's see what's going on. Mhm. Mm, that's all. That's what we're gonna get. Oh, you know what? I think I have a different server running. That's why. Because yesterday I was telling you I was working on this game, this Vibe gaming thing. I'm working on a project called Need for Speed car racing game that is entirely web-based. Man, the thing is nuts. Like I made some substantial progress here. Like you can pick your car. There's a track that's randomly generated. The thing is 3D. Bro, I'm gonna show it to
you
you,
made
but
it.
it's in progress. Like it's a
Okay.
multiplayer game. It's in progress. And
Are you using Lovable or what are you
no,
using?
no, Cursor. So it was a
Okay.
combination of Grok 3 and Cursor. It's basically the vibe coding uh, README that I showed to you the other day.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah, yeah, yeah. I
I'll put a
remember.
link in the description if anybody wants to take a look at it. But it was made by this guy, Nick Zullo, and he basically just describes like how he goes about working on like a big project because this is massive. Like, building a game, this thing is massive, right? So you're gonna need to track progress. You're gonna need to have some sort of document describing the architecture you're using. Um, Man, it's all sorts of like sockets and 3JS and all sorts of stuff I've never actually used before. So that was a lot of fun. I still don't like I didn't write a single line of code because I don't understand anything about the code. But it's good to be able to see the UI, like select the car. You have that, open plane. I'm adding the ability to select the track as well. Oh, it's gonna be nuts. Can't wait for that. And the whole thing was like maybe half an hour yesterday, so it's not like I dedicate my life to building this. All right, cool. So it seems like when you open up the site, it takes you straight to the dashboard. So I'm assuming that means you're logged in, but if you're not logged in, we can just go to storage, clear the site data, and then give it a nice refresh. Okay, so now you'll be prompted to sign in. And if you try to access the dashboard directly, you're still prompted to sign in, where you can sign in with the wrong password. Oh, it's weird. It says an error occur. Oh, is that because I don't have Postgres running? Yeah, yeah. Let me fire up Postgres. I guess that's why I didn't. Oh, okay. Now it's saying invalid email or password. When I put the correct password, it takes me to the dashboard. All right, so perfect. So we got login working. That's good. That's good. That's very good. Um, Next up, we are going to implement like this
This
bit
part.
here. Yeah, yeah. The actual, selection of the topic. Um, I don't know if we should like allow you to select the topic. Like if you're getting onboarded, you probably want, well, maybe you created the topic and then you're coming back, but you want to change the topic. So I guess it's okay to be able to select an existing topic or create a new topic. Um, but the existing topics are,
The point of the topic is to like have a direction of the conversation. Like
yeah,
I
it's a
would know where
collection.
to.
You can have one or multiple conversations about something that you want to create content on. Um, okay, so I guess what we could do is, okay, so let's see. Let me just check the Git status because, we don't want to have like a bunch of dangling Git files that have not been committed before we start making even more changes. So let's just see what the situation is like. Okay, so we have a bunch of changes. What's going on? Created user registration, added sign out. Oh, added sign out? Really? Okay, gorillas. Let's go. Start first call. Wait, so it just comes here, but then it starts this all over again. Okay. Integrated with Prisma. Okay, I mean, all right, authentication is okay. Talking about, okay. I don't think the talking about thing is actually working. The none of the VAPI stuff actually works. Okay, I'm gonna add all that stuff, commit it. Um, Integrate VAPI untested. Okay, so maybe just going step by step. Do we have a design document? We should, right? Yeah, we have a design document. It's supposed to have phases. Um, where are the phases? Okay. VAPI integration
We're in phase one.
for voice conversations. Basic conversation transcription using VAPI, simple web interface for conversations, basic content generate. Okay, so maybe what we actually need to do is wire up the onboarding flow. Or maybe we should just tell it here. Okay, let's add a step in phase one before the VAPI integration to wire up the onboarding flow. So if the user doesn't have any existing topics, then they will be prompted to create a topic or select one. And if they do have existing topics, then they'll be prompted to start their first call. And then once they complete their first call, they'll be shown the full-fledged dashboard. Currently, they're just full flow fledged. What is this? Okay. All right. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. That's okay. Okay. All right. Apply. Cool. Transition to full dashboard view. Okay, nice. Yeah. So now we'll start a new chat in agent mode and then tell it, okay, please proceed to implement user onboarding flow implementation. I think your camera is way zoomed into your face. I don't know if there's anything you can do about that.
Let's see. Where's the camera?
And for some reason in the video, there's this black background um, to the
Should be transparent.
circular edge. Yeah, yeah, it should be transparent, but it's not. Maybe an OBS thing. And the circle is clipped from the bottom. I mean, I'm just nitpicking here. I don't think this matters much, but just trying to optimize the viewer experience so we can get, hopefully double
Double
the
view.
views. Yeah, yeah, that's the goal today. That's the goal. All right, so I think we need to run. Oh, it's already running. Oh my God. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, what's going on? Prisma generate? Oh, and NPX, bro. NPX, npm run. Install Prisma and set up the database? What are you talking about? NPX, Prisma, generate. Bro, it's okay. I mean, let it install it. Why not? Force? Oh, hmm. Oh, I don't like the look of that. Oh my God. NPM warnings did not resolve dependency. It's not a good sign. Floating UI. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna debug. Toggle auto attach. Okay. I'm just gonna make it. It starts this debugging thing every time a terminal is run, and I think that's messing with like how it knows when the terminal is done. That's why I need to keep pressing cancel just to get the thing to proceed and not get stuck. Oh, now it worked. Now let's update topic selector to use the real API. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's better. API endpoints? Okay. It's using an API. It's not using server actions. Maybe that's better. I'm not sure if they're doing validation or uh did it get server session. Okay, it's checking if the user authorized. Okay, that's good. That's good. I mean it's kind of like an obvious thing, but you know, sometimes you can't be too sure about these things. Let's add toast component. Use toast. Huh? Use toast. Where is it at? Oh, it's already installed. Oh my God. Okay, whatever. Do your thing. Oh, nice. I hope it just works, you know? I just have the feeling in the pit of my stomach that when something doesn't work, I actually need to dive in and read actual code and figure it out. And then you feel like you're the bottleneck. Sometimes you really don't understand what's going on, and then I guess you restart the project, or you pick a different topic. Uh, I hope it's gonna fix this. Oh, there's an empty state component. Oh, very good. Yeah, that's the one you were talking about. Empty state. Okay, that's the hard-coded topics. Where was it? Okay.
So the toast is for notifications, yeah.
Yeah. Mm, I really need to modify this YOLO mode. CP beta. Where are the features? Auto run commands. Okay, I mean, okay. Let's fix skeleton keys. Okay. Okay, we already have npm run dev running. Okay, I'll have to close it from here. Okay. Wait, it's not. I don't think it's using use toast anymore. Command component? What are you talking about? Okay, go. Reject. Cancel. Cancel. Just stop. Uh, are we using use toast anymore? No, we're not. I've already deleted the component. Oh, you deleted it. That's good. Okay. All right. Beautiful. Okay, okay, okay. All right, cool. So let's just refresh. And it should be good to go. Oh, it didn't run the. Okay, but we can run that. npm run it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's check the work. Hmm. Okay. All right. We should already be signed in. So it just automatically redirected. Oh, what's that? I saw a lovely, lovely little circle there. No topics available. Let's create a new one. Um, all right. Let's say investing. Create. All right. Now I can go back. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So you can create another one, or you can select that one. Start first call. Oh, oh, what was that? What was that? Um, okay.
Topics.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, topics is okay, but why? Oh,
You
it
can
just
have a
takes you straight
conversation.
here. Okay. All right. I guess that's better than it was. Maybe worth committing. Okay, let's commit the stuff that we have so far. Yeah, let's accept all. Okay. Okay, now I want your help to figure out why we're not placing calls. So when I click on start first call, the call is never placed with VAPI. And I'd like to provide you with any details that you need, like the VAPI environment variables, the VAPI assistant ID, etc. All right, so assistants, auto marketer. Let's do this one, right? Auto marketer, edgy persistent. Um, okay, so print and grep VAPI. Yeah, probably don't want to do that. I don't think I have anything in the environment variables, but let's just move it over to the side. So, okay, there's nothing in the environment variables. So that shouldn't return anything. Okay. Integrating the call button component in empty state. Okay, all right. So there's just a placeholder. It didn't actually include, the actual call button. Also, we haven't given it any of the environment variables, so I assume it's going to get to that. What is the call button anyway? Okay. I don't even know where it's getting the transcript from.
I think it's no the button, the import button.
Yeah. I mean, okay. So let's see. Next public VAPI API key. Whoa, public? You want to make it public? I don't think it's supposed to be public. Okay. Let me just move this over to the side. Private. Oh, there are public keys. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. All right. Next public VAPI API key. Yeah, let's do that. That's fine. We'll paste that in. And then don't we need the assistant? Yeah, okay, you can check NPM. Bro, don't you need to know the assistant ID so that the call can be placed to the assistant? I don't even know how, like, it. Oh, okay. So we're not going to feed the topic. I think we need to feed the topic to VAPI. So we need to modify the transcript or somehow feed it the transcript. I don't know if that's something VAPI allows. Because you can't, like, if you're starting a conversation about a topic, can you then just ask it, like, have the guy answer, like, what they want to talk about? Or should it automatically? Yeah.
Yeah.
Whew. So, okay, I already did that. Um, let's ask it about the assistant ID. Create an inline configuration if no assistant ID is provided. Oh, okay, 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 okay. All right, all right, all right. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's better. All right, so we pick up the assistant ID from that piece. All right, we'll go with edgy persistent. I think that was the best version we had. All right, okay, okay, very nice, very nice, cool. All right, I'm gonna go get tissue.
Home button. We advise user discretion is advised.
There's
Viewers.
nothing wrong with being human and vulnerable.
Why are we even talking about it, man?
I don't know. It just came up. All right, let's see. Let's see if this would actually work. I'd be pleasantly surprised if it worked. I mean, with the transcript, that would be impressive. Like that would genuinely be impressive. Um, yeah, let's see. One can be hopeful. I always get a little bit scared whenever I see like a lot of changes.
Lots of red.
Yeah, lots of red and green, like 90 lines added, 138 removed. 10 errors. Okay, I mean. Okay, it's auto fixing the errors. That's good. That's good. But after playing with Lovable, I kind of feel like this is super low level. Like, what am I doing in an IDE? I should really be just observing and testing, wasting my time
What
in
package is that? The one you have in Cursor? Which package?
package. What do you mean?
The subscription.
Oh, it's 20 bucks a month, man. Cursor is so cheap. 20 a month. Man, Windsurf is actually even cheaper. Windsurf is 10 a month.
Windsurf was good.
Yeah, I like
Like
Windsurf.
it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, yeah. In some cases, it's actually better than Cursor. Oh, I didn't know they had a yearly. Should switch to yearly. Enforce privacy mode, org wide. Admin dashboard with usage stats. SAML OIDC SSO. Okay, don't care about all that. All right, cool. It's still going? Okay, all right. Yeah, yeah. All right, it's done. It's done. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's test it out. So, wait,
Let's
why is it
go.
asking me to sign in again? That's suspicious. That's pretty suspicious. Did did you mess with the end? I didn't mess with the end. Oh, very secret key? It wasn't called very secret key. It messed around with this. Like it was actually a random thing. I don't know why it changed it to very secret key. Hmm. Here it is. See? It was this. Copy changed lines. Okay, there it is. Oops. Okay, take it easy.
You've removed the assistant.
Oh man, good catch. Good catch indeed. All right, there we go. I don't know why .env is okay. Yeah, yeah. So now we go to dashboard and it should work. Oh, it's already been logged out. I guess that's why. Anyway. Oh, what was that loading screen? It's pretty weird. It seemed like that was the call button, if I'm not mistaken.
I think that was the call. Where's the call button?
No, I don't know, actually. Saying select the topic first, and then I've already selected one, but it's disabled. Um, okay. I guess what we could do is just clear the database and then just go through the experience again.
Start over.
Yeah. All right. That's not the database we need. All right. So local Podzilla. Go to user. Okay, we'll keep the user, but we'll clear the topic. And I don't know what session is. Oh, session. I don't know. Refresh dashboard. All right, so we have to create the topic. Let's do investing. Continue. All right. Oh, it changed it. Do you notice?
Yeah, it was the.
Interesting. Hmm. I did you like it better before? I mean, I guess it's okay.
It's fine. It's fine.
Start your first episode.
What?
Okay. All right. Start the call, yo. Let's go. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. It wants access to my microphone. Let's see what's gonna happen. allow. You're gonna have to switch to the stream if you want to take a look. Oh, see Daisy.
The errors.
Yes, unfortunately. What's the error? Meeting ended in error. Meeting has ended. Let's just ask it to check. Is this running? Yeah, it's running. Check console log and fix the errors, please. And this is the beauty of using my man Browser Tools MCP, which allows it to. Oh, did it call? No, it didn't call. Yo, fix the type errors. Yo, okay, stop, stop. Check console logs from browser. I thought that would be obvious. How do we
So
test
it
if it
found
can?
errors in the console, in the terminal.
Oh no, it didn't. Like this wasn't working. That's why. This browser tools thing is not working. Okay, all right. But it is connected here. Why wouldn't this work? Enabled? Huh. It's red. Okay, maybe we remove it and then bring it back. Bro, come on. Come on. Come on, my friend. You can do it. I think I just need to close it and then open it again. Or I guess I could just like copy the thing. Uh, maybe refresh. Okay, let's just close it and open it again. Ah, okay, it's brown. Not sure what brown means. No tools available? Oh, come on. Do we have this running in multiple places? I think it's just here. All right, I'm just gonna close it and then open it again. Run it again. Wipe all logs. Okay. Oh, come on. It's showing the tools, which is weird. Line closed. Oh man. Oh, oh,
Well,
oh, 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 oh. Okay. It worked for a second, then it disappeared again.
maybe
It's like what happened last time, man. It's the same thing. Like I think it's probably running multiple places, but I only have this terminal window open. Maybe the client is running in multiple places? No, it's not. Oh, maybe it needs to run inside this.
starting the tools. It's shutting down.
Yeah, I'll run it from inside here. Maybe that will be better. That I don't think this is related. Like this should just so when you run this, um, yeah, it's connecting. It's discovered the server. So great. It worked. But why does it not discover it when it's run from here? That's the question. If I change this, okay, so now it's not working. But if I put it
Come
back,
on, go back, go back.
oh, we're green. We're green. Man, it's so finicky. All right. Anyway, it's working. Check console logs from browser and fix their. Okay, so start new call. We're gonna get the error now. Hey
It's
there.
working.
Um, I'd like to talk about halal investing today, if that's something you're interested in talking about.
Absolutely. Let me start with something unexpected. What's the most counterintuitive investing lesson you've learned that goes against conventional wisdom? Something that made you think, wow, everything I thought I knew about this was wrong.
The easiest way to make money is to spend it.
That's fascinating, the power of doing nothing. Can you tell me about a
The power of doing nothing. Whoa, bro, that worked. Okay, so it actually, so we finished the call, and then we're still stuck on. Okay, 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 okay. All right, this is good. This is amazing, bro. It actually worked. Um,
We should we should commit that.
Before we tell it about the bug.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, you're probably right. Uh, Git commit. Let's see what it fixed. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, it actually has the prompt here. So we could theoretically feed it the prompt and create the assistant each time instead of using using an assistant ID that's pre-configured.
predefined.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, we could do that. And that way we can feed in the topic. So we don't have to ask the user what the topic is going to be. I guess for now, like it's okay if we just hard code it, but that would be a nice little optimization. King calls. Wow, that is nuts. Oops. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, fantastic.
I feel like we should also change the color. The color is very
Gray.
weird.
The color is gray?
Yeah, black and gray.
Yeah, yeah, you want it to be spicier, like
Light. Yeah,
something fresher.
or
Yeah, yeah. Need a bit of a
purple maybe.
design sense. Yes, you're right. Purple. Interesting choice. All right, there's a bit of a bug where when you finish the call, so when you actually close the call, it stays on the dashboard onboarding screen instead of moving on. So I guess you need to save all the VAPI session stuff to the database and persist it, and then instead of hard coding it everywhere, just use the actual values from the database for call related stuff. That is the most vague prompt I've ever given. Okay, but let's hope it's good enough. That's surprisingly easy though. I did not expect it to work. Bro, this is crazy.
It's a massive progress, that one.
Yeah, seeing an
I
actual
mean,
call
before,
inside the
yeah,
browser. Oh my God. But man, these calls are expensive. Like 15, 20 cents a minute. What are you gonna charge people?
well, double the price.
Maybe we don't do it by minute. Maybe we like create plans where you do like a 29 a month or whatever. And then
But it has to be limited with minutes.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. Like it would include uh an hour.
A what?
An hour.
Oh,
If it's 16
that's
cents a
enough.
minute, 16 cents a minute in an hour, that's gonna be $3.20. Wait, what? 0.16 times 60. Yeah, it's like $10. So yeah, we're okay.
So you would charge them $20,
Yeah, yeah. 20. 20 is probably fair.
99
Yeah,
promoted, uh, discounted price.
yeah. If you're super early, you get that price. Otherwise, it's going to go up to 40 a month. Or maybe we bill them annually.
Mm,
Hmm.
40. That's a plan. Enterprise maybe.
I mean, look, you want to be serious about no man, enterprise is thousands. Enterprise is thousands, like over 1,000 a month. That's enterprise. Um, but if you want to be serious about your content, I mean, you're basically paying like a ghost writer salary.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
so that's what we want to
You're
compare against.
paying. Yeah, you're paying like a, a professional Fiverr.
Yeah, yeah, a human being. Like we're basically doing the work
But
of a human being.
if you pay a Fiverr, you end up paying like $10 for an article, maybe even 20, and you got limited iterations, and it doesn't mean that the writer is gonna, give you what you're looking for.
Yeah, they might be rubbish.
This this is, you know, um, very precise, professional
Absolutely.
content, better than any ghostwriter you find out there.
I mean, I would go easy on the claims, but I
Well,
sympathize with the
I'm sure.
sentiment. You're 100%? Oof.
Well, 99.999%.
Maybe you should wait until we actually get the thing done so you can see.
No, I think getting the call done basically means you're about like what 50%, because the rest is simpler. Like abstract, like extracting the content of the transcript is not as complicated as making the call itself,
Yeah.
since it's a call away.
Yeah. I mean,
Live,
the
like
the
send
call is probably
live.
the tricky one. And
Yeah,
then um we don't need to NPM run the let's give it a shot. It should be fixed now.
I
It's
wonder
weird that
what
it
that round button. Yeah,
it's weird it doesn't save the topic, but maybe that's because it just assumed, okay, so we have a call thing going on now. Topic, yeah, the topic is there
hello.
from last time.
Ah, it didn't read them. Like it just writes.
Huh,
It
okay.
doesn't read off the database.
Oh, because if you don't, okay, all right, I guess that's okay.
Excited to have you here. What would you like us to
It's
talk about?
Hey there, I'd like to talk about halal investing today.
Fascinating topic. Instead of starting with the obvious basics, let me ask you something more intriguing. What's the most counterintuitive aspect of halal investing that most people get completely wrong? Something that even Muslims are often surprised to learn about.
So there's actually no such thing as halal investing. There's only not haram investing.
Oh, that's a fascinating distinction. Can you break that down? It seems like you're suggesting there's a fundamental misunderstanding about the whole concept. What's the key difference between halal investing and not haram investing that most people miss?
Okay, fail to load your call. Okay, all right. We're seeing a lot of errors here. Seeing a bunch of errors in the browser console. Please investigate.
So it actually navigated to dashboard this time.
Yeah, yeah, it worked. Oh, it's taking a screenshot too. Oh, very nice, very nice. Let's look at the server logs. Oh, it's checking the server logs. Beautiful. Interesting. How did it do that? Oh, oh, I didn't know you could do that. Like you could actually access the server logs like this. I had no idea. Very interesting. So it
It's
seems like that,
accessing the last few lines, 30
yeah.
lines. Yeah.
So there's a missing SVG, fine. There's also a post that resulted in a
That's
server error. That's interesting. We need to figure out why.
that's
Where's the
that's
server running? Um, oh, is that the server? Okay. Creating call. Okay. Server is running here? Oh, I didn't know that.
find many. Database call. Yeah.
Regenerate Prisma client and restart server. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we don't need to do that. Let me just stop the server and then start it again. Okay, let's just refresh. Oh, it actually opened to the dashboard this time, but it still disables the call button. So if we look at
Maybe you need to
call,
select the topic first.
there's no call. So even when you don't, I did select the topic. It's selected.
Ah, try to
Yeah.
create a new topic, maybe.
Well, it should be okay. Um, on the dashboard screen, when the current topic is selected, the select the topic first call button is still disabled. Can you figure out why that's happening? The call button should be enabled when a topic is selected. Hmm. Oh, nice. works now. Very good. All right, let's give it a shot.
Excited to have you here. What would you like us to talk about?
Started.
Hey there. How you doing today? I'd like to talk about head investing.
I'd love to explore head ad investing with you. But rather than starting with the obvious questions, let me ask you something more specific and intriguing. What's the most counterintuitive insight about head investing that you think most people get completely wrong?
Head investing?
Ah, my apologies, you mean said to invest. Could you clarify what aspect of said to invest you'd like to discuss?
Oh dear, that was horrible.
You look scared.
He said investing. Yeah, it was super weird, man. Like I think he misunderstood halal investing, and he just he thought it was head investing. So it was a strange place to begin the call. I we should probably feed the topic in instead of using a predefined. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now the call button shows connecting. Okay, in onboarding screen as well too, yeah? Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, cool. Let's go. All right, let's test it out one last time. Hopefully the last time. Let's see. Start a
Oh,
call.
recent calls, man, showed up.
Oh dear. You can't listen to the call. No way. I don't think that works. Nope. Nothing. I'm not even sure what the point of the play button is. Okay. 2 minutes ago for 40 seconds. That's good. That it was actually 40 seconds long, I guess. All right, so start. Nice. Nice loading
That's
animation.
more like it.
Excited to have you here. What would you like us to talk about?
Hey there. Let's talk about halal investing.
Ah, halal investing, a fascinating intersection of faith and finance. Rather than starting with the obvious questions about what it is, let me ask you something more specific. What's the most counterintuitive aspect of halal investing that most people, including many Muslims, get completely wrong?
There's actually no such thing as halal investing. There's only haram investing, and you want to avoid haram investing.
Oh, wow, that's a fascinating reframe. Let's dig deeper into that perspective. Can you tell me about the moment you had this realization? Was there a specific conversation?
Okay, it's a bit jarring when the call ends. Um, I kind of feel like something should happen. Like at least the recent calls should get updated.
Maybe
When the
like
call ends on the
just like
dashboard, we should at least update the list of recent calls to include the most recent one. Maybe what?
like Vapi, um, like the recordings persist in Vapi, or like they
Yeah,
remove them. They do,
they do, yeah.
so they
Fine.
can't hear them. Like
Yes, of course.
there's-
You concerned about privacy?
no, no, like they could hear them. I'm not sure about the cost of it though. Is it
No, you
like
don't pay
free?
for storage.
Like so, it can like the play button can work.
Oh yeah, it
I
could.
mean,
It could.
there could be a way to connect a conversation.
Yeah, yeah. We could definitely do that. Um, yeah. Oh, that's smart. Use the refresh key. That's pretty smart. There it is. It'd be nice if it came up with a title itself. So, like, instead of just using the same "Hello Investing Everywhere," let's commit. You don't need to commit. Like, don't get overly excited about these commits. Hello, okay, commit. The next step is the okay. So let's fix the play button on Vapi on recent calls, just so that we can get the play button working. Okay, next, in the list of recent calls, we need to make sure that the play button works. You may need to check the Vapi docs to figure out how we can obtain recordings of past conversations and replay them. Oh, AI. So an audio player UI element? Oh, that sounds.
Like with a time,
Oh, I'm not sure how that's gonna
or
look. Oh dear. Hmm. I'm guessing you would need a VAPI secret key. Okay, this is a bit of a complex change, it looks like. I haven't tried Claude 3.7, the thinking model, for a bit. I kind of feel like maybe it's okay. Maybe it's all right. It's not too bad. Oh, less intelligent than Max. We're not using Max. Oh, zero point zero 0.05 per request and per tool use. Whoa, okay. Claude 3.7 Sonnet Max? I don't know. Maybe we should switch to Sonnet Max. Let's give this a refresh, see if it works. That didn't work. Yeah, I would be surprised if it worked because without the VAPI secret key, anybody would be able to access the recording. That doesn't make a problem. Doesn't make any sense.
that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. To use the correct environment variable. Okay, so I would need to add the secret key. So that's going to be VAPI API underscore key equals. Let me just read that out. No, I'm not going to read that out. But
The
probably good.
viewers enjoy mine.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna accidentally show the .env file at some point during the stream, so that's okay. Let's see. Well, what's going on with this? All right, we're all done? Huh. It's overly confident. It just says next public. What? Yo, what are you? Vapi server is using next public Vapi API key? I mean, are you? This doesn't make any sense. Vapi server. This is the Vapi server is not supposed to use the public API key. Ah, man. Do I have to do everything here? Let's refresh this. And just when you think you don't need to think anymore, it just hits you with one of those stupid bugs. All right, let's try to play it. See what happens. Okay, that didn't work. Failed to fetch recording.
Check out the server. You
Yeah,
check the server logs.
yeah, you're right. Since it can't not found, that's the error we're using. We're seeing. Getting this server error. I mean, Vapi is it should
I
pull
think it's
like
using.
the parts of the docs that are relevant to
I
get
think it's.
call recording.
Yeah, I think it's using the wrong one. The
Inbound
wrong one.
calling, create assistant. Why is it? Let's check the Vapi API reference. Oh, it's searching the web. Okay, that's good. That's good. I mean, at least.
I sent you the get call from the documentation. It should be
Oh,
/call and the ID.
recording?
Yeah,
Is there a recording?
there's no recording.
No?
No, nope.
So it's making it up? Unbelievable.
Get call provided will. Hmm. But it should include the token for the authorization.
I see recording. Wait. Where is the recording? Get call.
Get call. It's yeah, it's on the first list.
Yeah. So I see get call. Does the response, does it include the recording? Artifact,
Think
transport, assistant ID, squad. Bro, it doesn't include the recording. So where are you supposed to get the recording from? I said, oh, recording URL. Okay, there it is. Recording URL. Wow. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna paste that in. Stop making up stupid API endpoints that don't exist. Check the bloody docs. Here you go. I think it has, yeah, I'm certain they have like a package for Node.js. I don't know why it created its own custom Vapi server package. Yeah, it just made up its own like client using API calls.
you're talking about Cursor.
Yeah. No, yeah, Cursor. Man, if we weren't using TypeScript, I just can't imagine. There's so many linter errors that it, has to fix. I just can't imagine that you would be able to get very far without using something like TypeScript. You'll just go insane. Let's see if this works. Man. Oh man.
Still no server.
What? I need to restart the server? Okay, I'm just gonna tell it to use the SDK. I'm gonna do awesome. Where is the SDK? Server SDK. There it is.
Published 15 days ago.
Oh, still fresh. No, six months ago. Like maybe that was the latest version.
Oh, okay.
Bro, just use the server SDK for the love of God. Legacy Pure Depths. Well, come on. Why is it taking so long? Oh my God. What is it looking for? This doesn't exist? Cannot find module Lappy server. Okay, just check package. Is it there? No. So obviously you didn't install the thing. So let's just install it for you. Legacy Pure Depths. Okay. Okay, that's installed now. Okay. Uh, oops. Oh man. Oops. Whenever I do command backspace, oh dear,
Yeah.
it just
Churn.
resets. It resets the whole thing. It rejects everything. Oh man, that's crazy. I think it rejected everything. Because now if you go to Vappy Vappy lib Vappy, it's not using Vappy server anymore. I don't even know what it's doing. I don't know what happened. Oh dear God. Um, so let's just go back to here. Okay. Accept all, and then Vapi server. Bro, just use this. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I don't know why it's using the public API key. That's not going to work. Where did the All right, so this should be fine. Um, let's try this again.
Hey there.
Alrighty, let's talk about halal investing. It's working.
So
Beautiful.
it was using the wrong key.
No, it was yeah. Oh wait, yeah. It didn't change anything else. It literally just
I see it's using the recording URL
yeah.
this time.
Yeah, yeah. It didn't so it is using the what is it doing? It's actually still
It's still there.
making no, is it still making
Vapi API key.
no no, it's using it's using the SDK, server SDK.
Okay, okay, okay.
All right, let's just commit it. Try and get commit. Man, my computer's crawling to a halt.
It's made a pretty awesome.
So calling is working. Recent calls, including playback, are working. Um, what did we want to do? So
Wanted
first,
to.
we need to create the assistant. Um, oh, this would actually be pretty cool. Um, ask it to clone the existing assistant by reading the environment variables. This is going to be an interesting one. So I want you to read the env variables, make a call to VAPI to get all of the assistant details from the correct endpoint,
You want also to give a title for
and then
recordings.
recreate. What was the VAPI, use VAPI? It had like a default, and recreate the config and use VAPI to match the existing assistant exactly. Oh, it's gonna be spicy. I don't know if it's even capable of doing this, but I'm hopeful. Let's reference the VAPI API docs too. All right, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Make a call to get the assistant details and modify to use the retrieved assistant info. Exactly, exactly. That's exactly what I wanted you to do. Okay, okay. Why is it searching the web? See, it got create assistant. That's actually not the one that you want. We should be getting get assistant. Be calling get assistant. Fetch assistant. What is it doing? Anyway, we'll let it think through this. I'm hopeful that it can figure it out. Probably a good time to check in on the stream stats. Whoa, wow, that's a lot of details. It's a lot of details. Okay, all right. Oh, wow. Okay. No, 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 no. Don't do this every time. Just bro, hard code it. Don't do it at run or build time. Run the bloody curl command yourself. Yeah, yeah. Okay, go. I don't think we. Why can't it just read the env file? Should I? I need to copy paste it. Oops. Wait a second. I can't open the environment variable here. That would be naughty. I'm literally just pasting the API keys into. This is such a bad practice. Bro, it doesn't even allow me. Very interesting. It doesn't allow me to copy environment variables and paste them. Are you serious? Oh, it does. Okay. You see what it was doing was it was actually fetching the assistant details and then like reading those details and then putting it into the call, which is just ridiculous. The details are not supposed to change. Much cleaner approach. All right, I've simplified the code by removing runtime call, hard-coded the assistant ID, fixed the type errors. Okay. I mean, you don't have to hard code it like you know, like that. You can just read the environment. Okay, whatever, whatever. It just doesn't get it. Process.env.next public key. Okay, I'll do that myself. No problem. Accept. Okay, I'll
Hard
paste it.
coded is
It just went the whole way. Okay. Bappy assistant ID or assistant ID. Otherwise, use our hard-coded ID. Okay, yeah. Okay, then start the call. Where's the yo? Where's the prompt? Oh, God. This clearly isn't working. I need to make the curl call myself, take the output, and then give it to the thing, and then have it hard coded. That's how we do it. Okay, it's not smart enough to do it on its own. I have to do it myself. All right, get assistant. All right. Okay, curl. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Get assistant, pass in the ID. Okay, it's ridiculous. Token. Okay. All right. Let's fire that away. Um, Okay. All right. We got the answer back. And now we need to feed it. Okay. Okay. Forget all this. Recreate the config. Okay, well, we're just gonna go back to this. Okay. Yeah. Yes, continue and revert. Let me fix the config and linter errors. Okay. So it should just update this. All right, nice, nice. Yeah, okay. Got the prompt updated. The voice updated. Message. All right, very nice. Maybe exclude default
which defaults.
instead of including the entire config object. Why don't we only include the keys that are different than the default? Where do we get that from? Their docs? So create assistant should specify the default values. Okay, so we could just copy paste this. Okay, let's just wait until this guy's done. Let's try a simplified approach. Oh, there's some type errors. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I don't care about this anymore. Just do this. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's refresh. Um, Also make sure that you're plugging in the actual topic into the prompt. So instead of asking the user which topic they'd like to talk about, we can just pass in the specific topic they've already selected. Do we have first message? Hmm. Okay, so if a topic is selected, it specifies it. Um, okay, okay, I think that's all right. So let's go. Let's give this a shot, see if it's working.
excited to have you here. What would you like us to talk about?
Is that because I already specified the assistant ID? We need to ditch the assistant ID.
Because you hard coded it.
Yeah, because it's in the environment variables. I assume that's why. Um, where are we? Okay. Yeah, it reloaded. Okay. All right. Let's try it again.
Excited to chat about halal investing. What's a counterintuitive insight you've had about halal investing that most people would disagree with?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So it
Try
now,
a different topic.
oh, so create a new topic? Um,
Yeah.
bootstrapping. Yeah, bootstrapping. Let's go bootstrapping.
Excited to chat about bootstrapping. What's a counterintuitive insight you've had about bootstrapping?
Yeah, that worked. Recent calls wasn't updated though.
The title, I think it's giving it the same title.
That's weird. So the topic is there. The new topic is the calls session. The calls are all on the old topic. It didn't save the call. Let's try again.
Excited to chat about bootstrapping. What's a counterintuitive insight you've had about bootstrapping that most people would disagree with?
Well, the less money you raise, the more, the less likely you'll continue, but the more likely you will succeed if you do, in fact, continue. Oh, that worked. That worked the second time. Interesting. Okay. All right. Cool. So I think we got like the functionality fleshed out. Now we just have to do like the actual content suggestion generation, and we should be done, right?
Yeah, the first version. I think we just need to also change the colors
And the
from
colors,
just
because it
yeah,
looks
just the
like,
black maybe.
yeah, it looks dirty. It looks,
Looks like tax feeling from like scary.
yeah. Uh, How do we do that though? I don't know. Maybe if we have a design, we can share some design that we like, and then ask it to use something similar, a similar vibe. Are there any design vibes that you
Yeah,
think
maybe
this would be suited for?
I think it would just change the colors maybe. Like this design stands, but just the colors.
So the structure, it's just that the colors need changing, and
Yeah,
the
I think
colors,
it's
the
just gonna be
font, the elements.
yeah, I think it's pretty good. Like for this version, like I think it's okay. How else can you present it? I think the presentation is pretty good. I still think we should add the blogs though.
Indeed, indeed, you do.
Yeah.
All right, I promise we'll get round to adding the blogs. That is phase two.
All right.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, design. I mean, yeah, even colors. Like what design?
Hold on. Checking out Dribble. Dribble, my friend.
Oh, that looks gorgeous. I like the green. The green vibe looks so fresh. Personal finance. What do you think of this? This greenish vibe.
Greenish. Hold on. What feeling does the green color gives you?
I feel at home. It's like I'm
Really?
in my home. I feel
It
safe.
gives nature, healing, freshness, quality. Um, so what feelings do we want people to feel when they use the service? Excitement, strength, love, energy. That goes for red. Blue is nature, healing, fresh, quality. You know, purple is royalty, luxury, spiritual, ambitious.
Yeah, probably
Mm,
purple actually, now that you describe it that way. Oh, look at that.
I feel like it should go towards the purple more, maybe. Green feels like it's an health app or something.
Well, yeah, did you find something purple that you like? Man, you're always about the purple. I feel like you really like purple, you know?
No, not
I
really.
feel like no,
Actually,
that was the color of what was it called? One of them? Lernido, maybe?
no. I was dark blue.
The one after it.
Oh, it was. You're talking about Memory Lane.
The blood one. I think that was
No,
purplish.
no, that was red.
Memory Lane? I think
Yeah, Memory
I
Lane.
I don't remember that one.
So, we will print. You can print your Instagram images for free,
Bro,
but contingent that
okay.
a company prints like on the back side
Okay, okay,
details of
okay.
the image. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, interesting.
But I actually had some few orders, but the shipping company messed up the images when I shipped them, so I had to do a better packaging, and it was costly. Then, as always, I stopped.
That's all right. Don't get discouraged, man. I mean,
No,
it does sound like a good idea.
yeah, but companies, yeah, I remember like there was this dentist, a group of dentists in SIF.
Hmm.
They wanted to partake, but they wanted to limit the beneficiaries to UOB students only.
Ah, interesting.
And we wanted to get it going, but UOB didn't like authorize us to actually put a stand there,
Oh dear. That's unfortunate.
unfortunately.
What is this?
But the
Why
app was
can't
like authorized by Instagram and all, like everything was fully functional.
try to submit images without a vision-enabled model selected? What does that even mean?
Like I
Okay,
think you have
auto
to use
select.
something like Gemini. I think it's only
Well,
Gemini that allows images.
Gemini?
Yeah, I think so.
It's having trouble. What is that even supposed to mean? What am I supposed to do now? All right, you know what? Let's switch to windsurf. By cursor. Windsurf. Thank God there's an alternative. There's also another one called Kite, I think. Kite or Duck. Kite. I Dev? I thought trade? No, that's not the one. No. Doc? I see VS Code. Pair AI. Yeah, yeah. Pair AI. Oh, make my success page more fun. Hmm. Let's see. If we don't get very far with Windsurf, we might just give it a try. Oh, it defaults to 3.5 Sonnet? Oh, maybe 3.7.
Oh, that
No,
doesn't break anything.
I have it as an error. Ooh.
No
Uh,
credits. So if errors show, they you don't consume errors. You don't consume credits.
yeah. I mean, we'll go with 3.5. Apparently 3.7 is having issues. CSS files? No, 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 no. Oh, oh, okay.
That's better.
It's better? I feel like it's you feel like it's better?
I mean, that is it.
I mean, it's definitely got
Check
some
out the
purple going.
what about the call thing? How does it look like?
This, the call interface?
Yeah. Mm,
Sign out. Let's see what the landing page looks like. Okay. It definitely needs like images, maybe some
yeah.
personality. It just sounds like generic AI slop. That's what it looks like and feels like. Okay. But I mean, yeah, I guess maybe it's better.
It is
Yeah.
better, but
Yeah. I don't know.
it's still not like great. As in, it's lower than acceptable.
It's lower than acceptable. You mean for an MVP?
Maybe it's just a little bit of an element of that, a spark that kind of, um, I don't know, that makes it lively
Can you make it
and
look a bit more lively and
goofy, maybe.
youthful? maybe add some animations, some framer motion, just make it pop. Useful? I said youthful, not useful. Make it more useful. I'm gonna go and start implementing random features. By the way, how we doing on the video comments? We didn't check in, not even once. I mean, this is unacceptable. Let's see what's going on. Who's commenting, stream health. Oh, we had zero concurrent viewers. Oh, there was a chat. Someone chatted at the beginning. Was that you?
No,
No, it wasn't you.
I was
Wait a second.
a fan, man.
Wait, is it the automated thing here? It can't be, right? I mean, maybe it's the real deal. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna go straight to the source of the truth. Let's figure it out. Okay.
There is nothing. I just checked.
There's nothing at all? Man, it said there was one chat.
What is it? There's nothing.
There's none. Okay. All right. Is it making it pop? Let's see. Now we have Framer in Motion install. I'll create some reusable animation components, update the global styles to make the UI more engaging. Okay. All right. All right. Things are moving. Things are moving. That's good. I'm starting to get a bit restless, you know? How long we been streaming, bro? A minute 53? Uh, Time flies. It flies when you're having fun. It's time for a pull-up or two. Pull-up or two. Are expected and can be safely ignored. Added some reusable. Okay. You can now use these. Yo, you're not telling me to use them, are you? Yeah, just apply them all over the place, wherever makes sense. Air AI sounds interesting. I'm hesitant to download. I feel like it's probably rubbish. Router and hosted servers, $15. Okay. Pay as you go. $321 MB. Wow, that's that's heavy. Pretty heavy. I don't know why I'm so hesitant. Maybe you should try it out, kind of see how it goes. I mean, they have a free version.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Use our free trial.
pure AI.
Okay, and let me enhance the dashboard. Let's do a refresh, see if there's anything that's enhanced. I don't see any enhancements.
It's done changes. Is it still working?
I'm not sure.
Just a few more seconds.
That's what it said last time before it aired. Okay. Oh, I'm not sure that made anything better. It just sort of zoomed in, and I hate the purple. I'm gonna be honest with you. It just looks forced. It's too purpley, you know?
It's yeah. It is. It doesn't look. It looks dead. It's not what we're looking for. Like I'm
It's
trying
like
to look at
material
examples.
theme. Yeah,
Like
yeah.
if this is something like this, maybe you know, uh, it might look acceptable. Hold on, a message there.
The glassy type. Yeah,
Maybe a bit better in purple. That is. Try to look at
yeah. It overdid it. Like it's way too forced, and I think it also needs some images and some icons, maybe
yeah.
some light touches. Um, yeah, I don't like how it looks. And even the animations are pretty rubbish. Like I would have expected, okay, have them sort of stagger in, but instead it does this weird zoom thing. It's like someone who just learned how to animate,
Maybe if we made
scale.
it an example, it can maybe you know uh, uh, match what we're
Like an
looking
actual
for.
page?
Yeah, you don't think it can?
Yeah, it could. Like Yahoo, I mean, what would an actual page? Oh, this guy voted for
Uh,
Trump and his wife is in an ICE detention center. Yeah, I don't know how they come up with these headings. It's like you're just automatically clicking on them. Unbelievable. Yeah. What was I? Yeah, not Yahoo. Like purple sites. Which purple sites are lovely to
what
look
about
at?
Sound Hound? Like what do you call it? Sound what? Sound Hound? Sound Hound?
I don't think that's purple, man. Oh, it is purple. Yeah.
It's very professional.
These are rubbish. Let's see. Yeah. I guess we're gonna ditch the purple, man. I just don't. It's very hard to make a purple website that looks decent.
What do you think? Maybe dark gray,
Dark gray?
yeah, something like freesound.org.
Free
Their
sound?
gray freesound.org. Yeah, their dark is what? Yeah, why is it white?
This?
Yeah, that dark thing. The one of the
Footer?
yeah the footer. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, check out soundalerts.com.
Sound alert?
Yeah,
What's your thing with sound,
maybe
man?
you need to blur the homepage. Ramadan. Kareem.
It's blue and purple, man. This looks horrible. Yeah, not seeing it,
It's
man.
kind of outdated. The design is kind of outdated. Yeah. Hmm. What do you think of this?
I feel like we just need white and then maybe some small tiny bit of some accent color and that's it. Like that's it, you know.
And a little bit of
Subtle.
maybe a little bit of edging too, like smooth edges.
Yeah, like the OCR Arabic website. I think that's what's nice about it is it's subtle. It's not it's got one color, yeah, the purple, which is the accent, but it's rarely used, like only for buttons, maybe icons, and in a few other
This is
places.
more like yeah. Hmm.
Let's see what it came up with. Oh, I mean, this looks all right. I don't know about the color, but it looks okay. I mean, it looks similar to, I guess, what it was before. Let's use some stagger animations for list items. And also use a white background. I mean, you can use off-white in a few places, but you know, the majority should be white or slightly off-white. And then just use like an accent color, which is vibrant, but you know, use it rarely. It's gonna be able to do anything with that. Looks okay. Like I think it's all right. This looks better than the purple, actually. Definitely looks better. And the current topic just looks weird with this white background. I think it should be without a background. Oh, it broke?
What's a fixer? What's that?
Uh, Auto prefixer. Dang it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It allows you to um, so you can write CSS rules once and they target all browsers without you having to add the browser prefixes. Okay, it's working.
There is off-white, but are you liking it?
This? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it looks nice. You don't? Sound like you don't.
Maybe if there was a little bit of, you know, coloring at yeah, like at the top, like in the header, and then the
Yeah,
rest goes in white. Maybe like a curved, I don't know, header, whatever, like something that separates the header off the content.
the
And
header
we
from the
could
content.
change yeah, then we could change the automarketer to Zilla pod, Podzilla.
Yeah.
Maybe not the header, maybe the upper part, like a different color, uh,
Yeah.
and then it blends into white, like it's a search bar. You know, the current topic.
Mm,
If you look at it, it seems like it's something you want. It's a search thing.
yeah. So you think we should merge it with the header and just make it like one thing?
I'm thinking about it. Maybe the starts a new call could be rounder. Maybe
What are you trying to do with this start new call?
like I just want to, if you take a first glance, I want it to look. I don't want it to feel like it's a search bar.
Mm. Yeah, I see what you mean. It does feel like it's a search bar. This also, it should be above the content. So I'm not
Yeah.
sure how to
What
square
if it
that.
was one under the other? Like the start new call would be like a circle, and the topics would be right on top of it.
I don't know what that means. I'm kind of
Stack.
thinking like the current topic. Um, okay,
Um,
just
hold on.
let's see if this works, and then we can make the
Sure.
current topic larger and show a um, small triangle drop down next to it, which allows the user to say topic, create a new one. It should look like a page hidden.
So here's the idea in my head. I'm just gonna express it out, yeah?
Yeah.
So the topics section would be like stacked um, section. Like you would have like topics, and below it would be the start new call. The start new call
Topics
would be round.
topics is stacked.
No, with the button, like the whole section would be stacked one on top of the other.
So you'd have all the topics
No, no, the drop down, and then below it would be the button, a round button.
for the start new call.
Yeah,
So the drop down would take up the whole width?
or like I don't know, center it
No.
in the middle.
We don't have anything centered. It would look off. I see what you mean though. And what I'm thinking is if this bootstrapping was actually the topic, and then you had like a
Hmm.
drop down here, then you
Change
could just
topic.
select it to change it, and then you just have the start new call. So it doesn't look like a drop down or a search box. It just looks like a heading.
And the button when it's round, it indicates recordings. So it's also
When the button is round, it indicates recording. Mm. Man, is it just me or is Windsurf just super slow?
it is very slow.
I don't know why it's taking so long. What is it doing? I don't even know if it's doing anything. You just have this, just a few more seconds.
Heard you complain. It's picking up pace.
Still can't see anything though. Mhm. Oh my God, we're 2 hours 15 in. Feel like I'm running low.
Let's at least
Yeah.
get this one over. Use your spare battery. Or you need it for iftar.
I don't know, man. I feel like my brain is fried even though I didn't write anything. I've completed updating. Okay, the whole topic failed to compile. Let me know if you'd like more. You're gonna create the missing drop-down menu? Oh man. I think it should be using Shadcn for that. Shadcn, the component library.
I'm trying to remember the other day, like someone was actually still using Bootstrap.
Ah, yeah. It's been a while since is that even Bootstrap?
Yeah, still.
Oh, there's version 5. Interesting. Maybe it's for if you're building without using like Next.js or any. Oh, the last month was the last update. Interesting. Wow. I had no idea. Still quite popular, it seems. I mean, it was pretty decent, but it looks a bit dated now. Maybe it's the shadows, the color scheme. What is this? Okay. Yeah. Oh man, it's so slow. I think using React 19 was a big mistake. I should probably update the thing to stop using React 19 as the default. There are just way too many packages that don't
The
work with React.
boilerplate.
Yeah. Okay. It's acceptable. Looks better, huh?
Yeah, it's way better than the search bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it just needs a little minor
It's
tweak,
not supposed
but
to be center aligned. It looks weird.
yeah, it's supposed to be centered.
the drop down thing looks super weird that it's center aligned. It should probably be aligned to the left.
Can you also tell it
Yeah.
uh, around the button and maybe use the previous colors?
Oh,
Otherwise,
it
you have to
dropped the
make it black.
colors? What, the purple?
Yeah.
No, it
No,
wasn't.
I don't know what you've used the
Yeah, the
bluish
one
kind
from
of
that
color,
website.
yeah?
The new, oh, it's updating the call button to match the topic selector styling.
Let's
I don't
see
know how it's
if it
gonna do
does.
that. Update overall layout and spacing.
Today was a really good day, man.
It's in progress. The only thing left is the generation, and
It'll be good to go, man.
then I guess then we should be able to add billing.
That made a massive difference. Looks way better.
Supposed to fix the spacing. There's way too much spacing here. I don't know what's going on with the header. I think we need to ditch it, or like you said, give it a different styling. Oh, it's not calling anymore? Oh, calls don't work anymore. Oh my God. Just great. Fixed something and broke something else. Pretty decent. I like it. All right, let's just see if we can get the call to start, and if it works, then I think we should be good. We'll just fix the coloring to, what was that site? Sound something? Sound alerts? No, somewhere in
Which
here.
one? We've seen several.
Um, yeah, I'm not sure. Here it is. Freesound, freesound.org. We need to create an API route to actually start the call. The new start call. What? Bro, the call was working just fine before you messed around with the styling. You don't need to create anything new. You just need to fix whatever you broke. I think we're just gonna end up canceling all of these
I think
changes.
we just roll back.
Where did my message go? Gosh. I think 3.7 was better than 3.5. We're running with 3.5 because 3.7 is down. Right. See, so bootstrapping, new call. Oh my
Oh my
God,
God.
that's a shame. I really like
I think we
this.
should just I think we should just roll back.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, unfortunately. What was it like before all this? Let's see. We'll just stash the changes. Oh, wow. It's dash design and broken. Oh, is it dash M? All right, this is what it looked like before. I mean, it's really just this. That was the big one. I don't
And it
feel like it
messed
was a
up the
massacre.
call.
And it messed up what?
It's messed up the call.
Yeah, and it messed up goal. Yeah, we'll get to that in the next one. Anyways, all right, we're just at the 2 hour 30 minute mark. Oh my God, we didn't even have a toilet break today. Wow. Okay. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Adios.